In this tutorial video, we will discuss how to edit the start cover of a virtual tour created using spotbrowser.com tools. First, let's see what the default cover of a virtual tour looks like. It consists of 4 elements. The background is the start photo, the title, the description, and the button. Each of these elements can be changed by editing them in the virtual tour editor. To edit these elements, find the Additional Settings tab in the Virtual Tour Editor. Here you can change the default cover style that was presented a moment ago. You can also choose from 3 different styles. The first is the default style, which you have just seen. The second one has no photo description text. And the third one has no elements at all. In this case, the virtual tour starts automatically. Now let's change the default start photo. Click on the dotted area labeled Cover Photo. Then select a JPG or PNG photo from your device's disk. Then enter the text for the title, description, and button text fields, and click the Save button. Now we can check what the finished cover of the virtual tour looks like and see what the different versions of the covers mentioned earlier look like. This is what the main cover looks like with your own text and start photo. Now let's see what the cover looks like without the text description and the virtual tour without the text cover. That's the end of this instructional video. Visit our YouTube channel and spotbrowser.com for more instructional materials. Thank you for using our tools.